My name's Neil. Been cooking for damn near 13 years, bunch of different restaurants in the Seattle area. And ever since I started cooking on the Disco, it's like the greatest thing to have when you're outside, which is my favorite thing to do is cooking outside for sure. Part of the reason why I love the Disco is the versatility, but being able to raise these legs is primo for sure. The actual cooking surface is already seasoned, well made. We've basically cooked on it over a fire, over propane, and at the end of the night, you just throw some water on there, boil it, and just wipe it off with a paper towel. So it's really easy to maintain, which I love. I love the shape of it, right? It's not completely flat. So you can do like a shallow fry fish taco, and it's perfect size, right? Because we have 10, 11 people here. Maybe we got some friendly campers who want to come by and grab a bite to eat. So it's really not hard to create a whole meal off one pan, which is pretty great. It's very communal, which I love, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely a vibe of its own for sure.